Welcome to our English practice series. Today, we're going to help you master conversations at the grocery store. In this video, we'll have a real-life conversation, explain key phrases, and practice them together. Let's get started. When you enter a grocery store, you might need help finding specific items. Let's see how to ask for assistance. Excuse me, can you help me find the bread aisle? Sure. The bread aisle is in aisle 5. Just go straight and take a left. Thank you. Also, where can I find fresh vegetables? The fresh vegetables are in the produce section, right next to the dairy section. Great, thank you so much. Key phrases. Excuse me. This is a polite way to get someone's attention. It's commonly used when you need help or need to ask a question. For example, excuse me, do you know where the nearest ATM is? Can you help me find? Use this phrase when you need assistance locating something. For example, can you help me find the cereal aisle? The next phrase, where can I find? Similar to the previous phrase, this is used to ask for the location of something. For example, where can I find the dairy section? And this is the aisle. Aisle. The rows of shelves in the store. Each aisle typically has a number. For example, the pasta is in aisle 7. Then we have the produce section. This is the area in the grocery store where vegetables and fruits are sold. Next, let's look at how to choose and weigh produce. This is especially useful for fruits and vegetables. Those apples look great. How much are they per pound? They're $1.99 per pound. Thanks. Can you show me how to weigh them? Of course. Place the apple on the scale and read the weight. It looks like you have about 2 pounds. Perfect. I'll take these. How about these tomatoes? Tomatoes are $2.49 per pound. You can weigh them the same way. Key phrases. How much are they per pound? This question is used to ask for the price of an item based on its weight. In the US, fruits and vegetables are often sold by pound. Can you show me how to weigh them? Use this phrase when you need help using the scale to weigh your produce. I'll take these. This is a simple way to say that you want to buy the items you have selected. This is a scale. A scale. Per pound. This refers to the cost of the item for every pound it weighs. For example, $1.99 per pound means you pay $1.99 for each pound of apples. Now, let's find some packaged goods like cereal and pasta. Excuse me, where can I find the cereal? Cereal is in aisle 10, near the breakfast foods. Thank you. And where is the pasta? Pasta is in aisle 7, next to the sauces. Got it. Thanks. Key phrases. Where can I find the cereal? This is a straightforward way to ask the location of a specific item. The next phrase, near the breakfast foods. This provides additional context by indicating that the cereal is located near other breakfast-related items. And the next phrase, next to the sauces. This helps narrow down the location by specifying a nearby location. Always check for prices and discounts to save money while shopping. Is this brand on sale? Yes, it's 20% off this week. What about this one? This brand isn't on sale, but you can use this coupon. Thank you. I'll take the one on sale. Key phrases. Is this brand on sale? This phrase is used to inquire if a specific product is being sold at a reduced price. 20% off. This indicates a discount where you save 20% of the original price. Coupon. A voucher that provides a discount on a product. I'll take the one on sale. This means you choose to buy the item that is discounted. Finally, let's go through the checkout process. Did you find everything okay? Yes, thank you. Do you have any coupons? Yes, here you go. Your total is $35.50. Will you be paying with cash or card? Card, please. Please insert your card and enter your PIN. Done. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day. Key phrases. Did you find everything okay? A common question asked by cashiers to ensure the customer had a good shopping experience. The next phrase, do you have any coupons? The cashier is asking if you have any discount vouchers. Cash or card. The cashier is asking how you would like to pay for your items. Insert your card. This means to place your credit or debit card into the card reader. Enter your PIN. This means to input your personal identification number, a security code for your card.